Good evening, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Before I introduce my son, Mike Bowditch, I'd like to congratulate all the members of the Hall of Fame here, the first Hall of Fame, Coach Ricasa, and all the members here. And I'd like to express my family's appreciation for all the things that Brother Rice has done for our family, and particularly for Mike. I'd like to thank all the brothers, the teachers, coaches, and all those teams that take Las Ritos here tonight, who made important contributions to his life and really helped make him the man he is. I'd especially like to thank Coach Fracassa, who is, as you all know, a wonderful coach. He even helped me in my own things during the course of my life. And I learned things from Coach Fracassa in the season that he coached me. And one of the things was be the best you can be. Bill Martin brought that up and others. And I think that's something very important. I also like to thank Brother Gawaldi, who played a big role in Mike's stay for Brother Rice, Coach Cal, and also Coach Ambrose. And tonight I ran into Coach Jackman. Mike played hockey here. Mike started playing hockey when he was 4 years old. I had him on roller skates, and he loved hockey. And I never really thought Mike was going to be a good football player. I thought he was too small. When he was a sophomore here, he was, I didn't think he was big enough. I didn't think he could play in college. However, he proved me wrong. I would finally like to acknowledge his mother, Pat Bowditch, who really is the backbone of Mike's general athletic ability, Mike's personality. And I'd like to give her congratulations and tell her what a great job she's done with her son. I'm very proud of Mike. He's my